Hello and welcome to this video brought to you by IT Made Simple. Today's topic we will cover installing Windows Server 2012 in core mode. Now what exactly is core mode? It is a basic install of the Windows Server operating system, and this can be done with the newer version of Server 2016 and 2019, which was recently released. So Server Core is basically the server installation without the graphical user interface, or the GUI for short. What does this allow you is to install the Windows Server operating system, and it will have to be managed not through the graphical user interface but rather through the command line. So I'm going to go through the installation first. I've actually created the virtual machine in using VirtualBox, just a single core CPU with a basic 2 gigs of RAM, and I'm going to start the installation and go it through. And part 2 of this video, I will be dealing with the simple basic configuration management that is normally done after the install. So here is the start of the installation. Looks like any other installation. I'm going to choose all the defaults for the sake of going through this quickly. Okay, comes up as in showing you the different options that are available. And the first option is the Server 2012 standard, which is the core installation. And you can see at the bottom, just at the bottom here, it's Server 2012, the standard edition with the graphical user interface. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it as a default, which is the core install. I'm not interested in the data center. I'm just going to select the standard. Click on next, accept the license, and next. And here I'm going to do a custom install. Picks up the unallocated disk space of 40 gigs. That's all good. I want to use the entire disk, no partitioning, and I click next. And it's going to start to copy the installation files and do the install. So we'll have to wait a little bit on this until it completes this part of the installation. Okay, so that basically completed our installation, and the server is just going to do restart, and we'll see what the server core looks like. Alright, seems that it's already installed and almost at the first window that will ask us to set our administrator's password. That should come up in probably less than a minute. Here we go. So that's the screen that comes up, and it's asking me to change the administrator password. So I'll go ahead and put a password in. It's setting the password. It accepted what I put in, applying settings, and this is all you get. Just a command prompt asking you to input commands, and that's the end of the installation. Now this is a first part of a two-part video. The next video I will be demonstrating to how to use the sconfig, or the server config, that will allow us to do some basic tasks after installation, such as assigning IP address, manually assigning IP address, changing the computer name, etc. So thank you for watching. Please remember to rate this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.